I just want to take this opportunity to say a quick thank you for voting in the recent polls I shared on my community tab. And there was quite a bit of engagement, which I was very happy about. And I'm just going to share the results and talk through it right now. So 2 weeks ago, this was the poll I shared. What's your biggest investing challenge? Controlling emotions, knowing when to buy and sell, understanding technicals, or finding good information. There was 3 votes on this particular one, and the highest one came in at 67%, controlling emotions. And that is one of the biggest investing challenges that people have, especially in the beginning, if they see the dips and the flows in their investing portfolio. Especially if it's coming near their stop loss, they get kind of scared and they might sell too quickly instead of holding on to the stock or the crypto and just letting time do its thing. So yeah, control emotions and fear would be one of the biggest things there. Knowing when to buy and sell is another one. So the second poll then, there was actually 10 votes in this one, which I very much appreciated. Do you think we're in a bull or bear market right now? Bull market, 40%. Bear market, 30%. And too early to tell, 30%. My thoughts on this would be it's too early to tell as well. Okay, we were in a bull market a while ago. Crypto has dipped a bit now, and so have stocks. So it is too early to tell, because with interest rates and there's a lot of uncertainty at the moment. We were in a bull market, but it's swinging the other way now at the moment, and it's kind of just consolidating. So that would be just my opinion. And again, thanks very much for voting in these survey polls. I do very much appreciate it. I also share Patreon podcasts here and Patreon posts on the community tab. So as well as the videos, you have the podcasts, the updated articles on my Patreon, podcasts, videos on my YouTube, videos on my Patreon. So yeah, that's everything. And I would really appreciate it if you did this, if you thought about joining my Patreon. It's just over $5 a month, including VAT, and you can cancel the subscription anytime. I just have 6 free members at the moment. My YouTube channel is growing pretty good now. I've just over 1,900 subscribers. Over 700 have joined this year alone, and I'm very grateful for that. So once again, thank you very much for taking part in the survey polls. I very much do appreciate your input, and that's how I'm trying to build a community here on YouTube and on Patreon. Until next time, take care. Please hit the like and please subscribe if you found my content useful. Thank you. Bye-bye.